So I guess today I'm just going to try and get used to this camera because it's such a small feed. I know you're like, why is she talking about this damn camera all the time? But I'm about to get ready for class. So I am putting on more clothes. I'm going to do an orientation, informational first, and then I have to do the ventilating course. So I take everything downstairs in the basement. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. And you guys can't see what I'm wearing, can you? Let's see if we can switch this camera around. So yeah, this is where I am. So this is what I'm wearing. Yes, they won't see my feet. So got my comfy shoes on. But I'm putting this on top so that I look a little bit more professional because they're really going to only see me here. And I have my cute little earrings, onyx earrings. I like these. I like stud earrings more now. I don't care for big earrings. I know with short hair, people like to people like to have the big earrings and the big makeup and everything. That's not me. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put my lipstick on because I am training myself to wear more lipstick. So I'm going to sit here. So I got my light so they can freaking see me. And I'm going to get to my stool from over here. On the online, it's all about wig making, making wigs for hair replacement systems, toupees, toppers, full lace units for kids that's dealing with cancer. We teach that. We also teach business. So how to properly set up your business in the hair industry. We work with all niches. So if you are a hair loss specialist, if you are a cosmetologist, a student, a stylist, an instructor, or a teacher, and it's something you're looking to go into that direction, I kind of do things in a way that allows you guys to kind of follow how I do things so you can build your own online course. So we got wig making, we got wig cosmetology. So we teach cutting, styling, coloring for the cosmetology courses, specialty wig making, caps, toppers, toupees, ponytails, braided wigs are coming next. Ventilation courses for making cranial prosthetics is what it's called. We also offer help for our cosmetologists that have clients where their medical insurance covers cranial prosthetics is the correct word. Wigs, she does that. She takes care of that for my students that do that. So
I guess learn how to properly do it. And I know I watched some of your videos even last night. I stayed up so late, so that's probably why I'm not on camera, but I was just like, what can I do? I was just really brainstorming, and I went to your Instagram page and I was looking at the videos where you're talking about the different types of caps. And I was like, I can tell that you have this breadth of knowledge of different things, and it's just like, okay, this is something I think I really want to try to aspire to do. Yes. So just the breakdown, I didn't even know all the different things you were saying and the courses were available. I think that's awesome.
Yes.
So I'm supposed to be putting my machine together, and I am downloading videos, downloading courses that I just finished that I did live. So I'm gonna get these uploaded, finish out the site, like updating information, and then I can get to my machine. So let me work. So to let you guys know, all of the courses, well, most of them are pre-recorded and they're usually up within the next 24 hours. So don't expect same day delivery. But anyway, I am going to show you in the next video how I am putting this bad baby together. So make sure you hit that bell button for notifications when I do upload the next video next Wednesday, and I will see you in the next one.